We're going dog watching today. Thor! What you doing? Say hello to YouTube fans? Okay. He's saying hello to YouTube fans. Which is you guys. I'm not gonna be able to edit this. He's like, what? Thor. Guys, look at Thor's little leg. And it goes like this. How is Minecraft 1? You have to interpret it because the camera sucks. But Minecraft 2's camera is better. Trust me. I recorded it. Thor! He's like, what? Now, turn away. Thor! Oh. Wow. Hi, guys. This is what I got from being bitten by Thor earlier. Yay! Oh, boy. First time he's walked off the couch in like 2 hours. Huh? More fun things? Oh, yes. Hello. How do you guys enjoy this? So I literally stuffing on my arm. Don't want the inside of my mouth. Ew. Ew, don't want the inside of my mouth. Say hello to YouTube fans. Oh. I just got a random call from some guy in New York. Do you like YouTube fans? Say hi to YouTube fans. Thor! YouTube fans! Thor, come here! No, I'm not looking my phone number. Is the question. Thor! Maybe I just use my mom or dad's phone to record everything. Thor! Come here! And now he's chewing on a blanket, which he's allowed to chew on. Do you like that blanket? Do you like the blanket? Do you like it? My glasses. You wouldn't hurt a kid with glasses, would you? Guys, watch what happens when I breathe over here. Alright. This is for sure gonna make Thor come over here, guys. Come here! Dang it, guys, I failed. So that is the end of dog watching, guys. Peace out.